Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends, I think सबको मेरी एज के बारे में पता है. But I am feeling the reverse of my age right now. Because there's so much energy in this room. So instead of 53, I feel like 35. आप लोग जब आज शेर देखने गए, आप गलत जगह ढूंढ रहे थे. जीप में बैठे आप जंगल की तरफ देख रहे थे, आपने तो जीप के अंदर देखना था. सारे लाइनअप तो शेरों की यहां पे है. So you have to know where to look to get the diamond from the coal mine. You have to know where to look. You've got the diamond out here. So polish it so that it comes out. Everybody today has talked about their story, their experiences in direct selling, in various companies, life experiences, life stories. Very, very interesting stories. Since it has happened to you, you have a feeling, you have a passion, you have an energy which comes out accordingly. For me, my life's journey, I'll just touch upon it a little bit. My life's journey is about herbs, about a product. When we talk about giving a cheap product, I don't look at it like that. I look at a product and I tell myself, if this herb has got these properties, what use can I put it so that it helps me or it helps everybody around me? I don't look at expensive or cheap or middle price segment. I don't look at all that. I try and see whether that can fulfill a need or not. Before I start upon the journey of getting into research and development, I look at whether it can fulfill that need or not. So when the pressure comes from various quarters ki ye to bahut महंगा hai, it doesn't affect me at all. Like Gurinder ji says, I don't care about that. I don't care whether that is going to be expensive or not. Because to me, that is not expensive. A natural berry is fulfilling the need to sort out many lifestyle conditions, many skin care conditions, many things which all the doctors in the world maybe have not been able to sort out. Will you call that expensive? If a little berry can be channelized and harnessed to do that to you. Yesterday I was sitting down with the Bengal team and I was sitting with a lady, I will not take her name. Her husband was also there. She's in this room today. Her husband said that earlier I tried to convince her to join BioSash, but she didn't listen. We went to many doctors to see if we could sort out her problem, but we failed. But after I gave her 2 of our products, now she is completely all right. Now, is that product cheap or is it expensive or is it priced in the middle? You answer that. We'll have to ask that lady whether that was cheap or expensive. So that was priceless for her. And for me, That feeling which I got sitting down yesterday with her it had made my day completely. जो मैंने टाइम लगाया, रिसर्च करी, अपनी टीम से बात करी, पूरी जिंदगी लगा दी है मैंने इन्हीं सब चीजों के बीच में उसका तत्व निकालने के लिए कि कैसे मदद कर सकती है ये, और वो उनकी स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम को उसने सॉर्ट आउट किया उस जूस ने. सो डोंट लुक एट, इट्स नॉट सो सिंपल. लाइफ इज नॉट सो सिंपल कि ये 100 रुपए का होना चाहिए, ये 200 रुपए का होना चाहिए, ये 80 रुपए का होना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट सो सिंपल. You have to figure out what you want in life. You want to go and have something natural to sort out your issue, or you want to go some other route. Accordingly, you will find the way. I will tell you today, our products are priceless. Each and every product, if you really see, fulfills and gives you a result-oriented solution for any lifestyle condition. A small thing like, I call it a small thing because in my book it's not a big disease. Diabetes. Diabetes is not a disease according to me. It's a lifestyle condition. We don't want to sort it out by changing our lifestyle. We want to take a shortcut. Half a tablet in the morning, half a tablet in the evening, and 2 tablets of this in the afternoon. It's under control. I don't want to cut out the jalebi. I want 4 pieces of jalebi with my lunch. In spite of having a problem, I will not eat 1 roti less. So you don't want to go for a solution, all right. You want to go for tablets, your choice. You want to go for our Diabo juice, that's also your choice. We can sort out most of the issues. We can give you a product which I firmly believe that you cannot make a fool of people all the time. If you don't have a good product, you will be able to sell it in any industry once, twice, 10 times. After that, you're bound to fail. Until and unless your product fulfills the need, doesn't harm you, is reasonably priced, it may be to the expensive side, but our product, if you buy, you won't become a pauper. It will not give you side effects. So, in order to give a platform, a solid platform, a product-based platform which is unshakable, I will tell you now that during the period of the lockdown, like Gurinder ji says, I have burnt the most candles in the night, thinking of the next steps in order that lockdown or no lockdown, we should never be affected. There are 2 announcements I'll make in that regard very soon. But let me just have a look. There are too many things I want to talk about, and I'll just shorten them a little bit. So, everybody has just heard why you should look at a product-based company, and I'll tell you why you should look at Biosash. First and foremost reason is you have a very, very wide spectrum of talent out here. Your leadership is dedicated and strong, which you will not get. You will not get this anyway. because of the efforts of all of us collectively, you will be all very happy to know we have grown more than 100% during lockdown. This is not an exaggeration. Another thing I'd like to say in order for you to understand what is the mindset. What is the mindset of Biosash? And what is the core strength of Biosash? What is the foundation of our concept? Seebuckthorn as a concept, what is it? What is the population of this entire world today? 8 billion? 8 billion. 800 crores. The world's first hand sanitizer with Seebuckthorn was launched by Biosash. Before those 800 crores could think of it, before those lakhs of companies could imagine it, we did that. The innovation was at the core of it. Our main strength will always be our strong relationship with innovation and our investment in research and development. We already are doing world's first tomato sauce with Seebuckthorn. It has got omega-7, not artificially put in there, 100% natural. Have you heard any other company doing a world's first like this? We are very small right now. I still believe that our journey, that's why when Vivekji chose the name, I said it's a very apt name because our journey has just begun. The world's first skincare line with Seebuckthorn. More than 45 products are there. That was done by us. Today, under these covers, I will give you 3 more world's first. 3 more products which no other company in the world has thought of till now. They will be the world's first with Seebuckthorn. It's part of our DNA. We will give you something which nobody else has even thought of till now. So it was just to give you an idea that you are all ahead of 8 billion people in this world in the products which you promote. That is the sort of pride and passion I have in what I do. And I want to transfer that to you. I don't look at any of my products as expensive or cheap. No. They are the only products in the world like that. Show me something else like that. This pioneering spirit is what we need. Like somebody said here today, that everybody in this room is going to reach to a very great height because we are all at the beginning of a journey. जो journey अभी शुरू हुई है, सब उसमें अभी भाग ले रहे हैं. The sky is actually the limit for everybody in this room right now. One more announcement is that we believe in strong ethics, and I will not compromise with any product quality, even if the pricing goes high, like I was discussing with you yesterday in the evening. To make that management stronger, many of you know already Mr. Kamraj, who retired as additional DGP in Haryana. He has joined us as a whole-time director from this month. There was some time, so we both got together at my residence. and we formalized the thing. I didn't want to announce it before formalizing, so now I have announced. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here today because his son has just gotten married and so too many marriage functions are still spilling over. Everybody asks me, so what is your vision? आपका क्या विजन है बायोसैश को लेके? जब भी मैं किसी से मिलता हूँ मुझसे पूछते हैं लोग. तो उसके लिए कभी कभी मुझे दिल करता है बोलने के लिए कि 2-4 दिन का टाइम लेके आओ, फिर मैं समझाऊंगा. 15 मिनट की स्पीच में मैं आपको अपना विजन कैसे समझाऊं? बहुत मुश्किल है. फिर भी आपको 4-6 पॉइंट्स बताता हूं. In order that the benefits of this miraculous berry can reach a large number of people and sort out these, little irritating lifestyle issues which we ourselves don't want to sort out, we want to take a few steps to increase the distribution and the reach. And in this regard, there have been intense discussions with Nikhil ji also and the entire team that side. How shall we make product availability faster and better in order to achieve our immediate goals of faster growth? So we are in talks, Nikhil ji, we haven't yet finalized, but we are in talks that we have a center in Guwahati soon, so that can cater to Northeast. We have a center in Bhubaneswar, which will look at that area. We have one center in South India somewhere, whether it is Vizag or Madurai or Chennai, we'll see how that works out. And also, there's a very strong demand from Kaushik ji that we need a base in Kolkata also. So we are working, and I believe that we should be able to finalize these very, very soon, and that will give us a good presence. In the north, we have a very good presence and facilities, but these places, the facilities need to be developed. So we are working on this, and we'll let you know very soon. We'll have some discussion on this tomorrow also before you leave. Second, I have been wanting to develop the foundations of our company in a better way. One very important thing I believe in is that you need to have a strong manufacturing base so that your core things can be managed easily. So you'll be happy to hear that in the second week of December, the Goa Investment Promotion Board has approved in principle the setup of a new factory in Goa. Also, I found out that it was the first time in the history of that investment promotion board that they cleared a proposal in one shot. They have not cleared any company's proposal in one shot till today. After studying the proposal and what we want to manufacture, they want us there fast. Secondly, under Mr. Kamaraj's supervision, we have set up the unit which will procure at source the raw materials for various spices, which has taken a very long time, I know, but well, it took some time to set it up. Another good news is that we have received the food license for that unit as well. So it's just a little bit of a matter of time now you get that range, the kitchen masalas range. I hope you are happy with the new website, which has taken again a very long time, as you all know. But जैसे गुरिंदर जी कहते हैं, देर आई दुरुस्त आई, never mind, आई तो सही, ठीक है ना? So in that same vein, we are also working on complete revamp of the software, and I'm not going to give you a date because somehow the other dates get delayed. But again, very, very soon, I think we will be in a position to not only have new software, but we will also be in a position to start our functions in a foreign country as well. I think more than ever, COVID has proved that BioSash is a very, very relevant company in a very relevant space today. I am waiting for the concrete research which says that the enzymes in sea buckthorn juice conclusively kill the coronavirus. I still haven't got that, but the research is in an advanced stage as far as I have been informed. So we are waiting for that announcement, and I will urge everybody that do not forget to have the juice and capsules twice daily. Please don't forget that. It's a must. Because it will take some time before this pandemic comes under control. Three, four things which everybody must have daily is the sea buckthorn juice and a sea buckthorn capsule. If you have a lifestyle issue, choose the juice which you want. But don't forget to have this. Also, another tip, the Panch Tulsi drops which you're having 5 drops a day, there's a new research which has come out that Tulsi or holy basil, if applied just under your nostrils here, the breathing of that, inhaling that vapor, kills viruses in your nasal cavity. So apart from having it orally, just apply 1 drop like this over here on both sides thrice a day, and take your deep breaths regularly so that nasal cavity where the virus goes in first, it kills that totally. I have got some research papers on this, but again, it's not conclusive, so we cannot propagate it. Anyway, I'm using it every day like that. I use it the same way.